Hello guys, in this video I will show you an overview of the dashboard. In the previous video I made an overview for the front end of the store. Now I will go to the back end, which is more complex and where everything takes place and everything you can manage everything from there. Okay, so now we're on the front end, and how you go to the dashboard, you just hover here the mouse and click dashboard. Or always you can write here after the domain name, you can write wp-admin. Okay, so here on the dashboard we have a few things we can see. We can see the WooCommerce status. This is the demo site, so this is how you will get it. Everything will be 0. It says here 38 products out of stock. It's a glitch on the WooCommerce. Don't bother with it. It's not true, because our products are digital and cannot be out of stock actually. So this is just an issue with the WooCommerce. I see many people complain about this. Don't do anything about this. It's nothing to worry. Okay, and here we can see the Solid Affiliate, which is the affiliate plugin. And if you have paid for the premium package, you have also membership and affiliate program. So you can see here some stats. Whatever you see here, you can choose it by clicking screen options, and here this tab is extended, you can see, and you can choose here what you want to see and what not. For example, the WooCommerce status, if I unselect, it disappeared. Okay, or the Solid Affiliate, or I can add more, but you can choose what you want. Okay, I try to keep it as simple as possible to have less stuff here that I need. Okay, so what we can see on this dashboard, because it looks confusing for people that don't have experience with WordPress. After a while you feel very comfortable, but at the beginning it's a bit scary. Okay, so don't worry, I will explain everything what you see here. I will try to make this video as short as possible, but after that I'm sure that you will feel much better and more familiar with the dashboard. Okay, so we start. Here we can see, we can visit the site from here. It says here visit site or store, which is the same thing, site and store. Here this icon, it shows if there are revisions. So here it shows that there is one revision, one update, not revision, one update available. If I click here, it shows me what has to be updated. Can be the theme, can be a plugin. In this case it shows that this plugin, all-in-one WP migration plugin, needs to be updated. This I didn't update it on purpose because I need this version to migrate the store. Okay, so this is on purpose, I didn't do it. If you want to update, you just select and update, or you can update from the plugin area. I will show you later. Okay, continue. Here is if there are some comments on the site. There are no comments now. If you have a blog and you have articles and people can comment on the articles, it shows here the comments. Here if you hover over the new, you can create new posts, new media, which is images or videos, new page, new landing page, template, product. So you can reach these things from also from here, but it's more for faster, like you can reach them faster from here. Okay, if you want to create a user, just hover and click user. Okay, the next one that it shows here is the Yoast SEO plugin. Is the plugin we use for the SEO of the website. There is also here, you can see it, this. All right, just here this bar, it makes more easier to reach things, to navigate. That's all. Here this is the premium add-ons for Elementor. It's a plugin that it helps us to add more features on the Elementor, which is the page builder. You will see everything here. And this is membership. We have a membership plugin that helps us to have a membership set up so people can access all the products through a membership. Okay, this plugin called Paid Membership Pro here we can reach it also, and we can reach it also from here. Okay, and on the right you can see the account. You can log out, edit the profile, and it shows the account you are logged in as a user. Like there are many users, you can have many users on the site. Here it shows as what user you are logged in at this moment. Okay, for example, you will have only one user for yourself, but if you log out and you log in from another user account, it will show here the other user account, the name. Okay, continue. So I will take all this the left bar one by one, all the sections. So I will explain you what it is shortly, but you will know everything what it is. So we'll go here and we have the here it shows the updates. Is the same thing with this one. Okay, it shows that we have one update, the plugin I show you. Next is the posts. If you have a blog, you have posts. Okay, so at this moment I don't have a blog and posts on the store, but you can add the blog section if you want, and you can have posts, and you can have organic traffic more because of the posts. Okay, so here you can manage the posts. You can add posts, delete, edit, whatever. Next is media. Media is the images, the videos, and the files you have stored on the site. I can show you the media. There is the media library where we have all the images on the store. It says here 540 media items. Can be the videos, can be files, icons, images. Okay, you can delete them, upload new, add new. Okay, continue. Pages. On the pages, let me close some. On the pages here you can see all the pages that are on the store. You can add new pages, you can edit them, quick edit, which is you can edit less things than the normal edit. You can trash it if you don't want it anymore, delete it, view it. Okay, you can duplicate it if you want to make a similar one so you don't start from scratch. Edit with Elementor. You can edit the pages if you want with Elementor Page Builder, which is the page builder we use on this store. It's a very popular page builder, probably you know it. If you click edit with Elementor, it will edit the page with Elementor. Okay, not all pages are created with Elementor. That's why you don't see everywhere this option. For example, here doesn't say edit with Elementor, or here doesn't say edit with Elementor, but these pages are created with Elementor. That's why it gives us this option to edit them after. Okay, so this is the affiliate pages, about the affiliate. There is a blog, but it's not active on the menu. I didn't add it on the menu because there are not posts, but you can add it if you want to have a blog. Cart page, you can see every page. Contact us, the checkout, membership, the login page. You can edit all the pages. Okay, and delete them. If you want to make them inactive, you can make them draft, turn them from publish to draft, whatever you want. Okay, here are the pages. Continue. Comments, here are the comments when you have posts. As I told you, on the post somebody can comment, if you allow of course the readers to comment. Here you can see the comments. Next we have the GDPR cookie consent. Is the plugin we use for the GDPR, to have the somebody when visit the first time the store to give a consent for the cookie, accept the cookies. You know, you have seen this. You don't need to do anything. This is set up, everything is set up. Actually, whatever I will show you in this video, if I install the store for you and I set up, you don't have to do anything after, because I have done everything. If you didn't pay for the installation and you do it yourself, you will have to set up a few things that I will show you on the videos. Not everything. For example, the cookie, even this, you will not have to do anything, even if you set up your the store yourself. Okay, because I saw on the video what you have to set up yourself. Okay, I try and I did what it was the most possible to not have to do anything, what I did it, I have done it. It was not possible to do it for yourself, I didn't make it, and you will have to do it when you do it yourself, the setup. When you pay for it, we don't have to do anything. Okay, continue. Contact. Here we have a contact form on the page here. On the store, we have the contact us page. There is the contact us form on the contact us page, and we use this plugin, the contact, here contact, to create this contact form. You can edit the contact form, you can delete it, whatever you want. You can create more contact forms. Okay, continue. Membership. This is the membership plugin. We use this plugin to create a membership level, so somebody can access all the products with just one simple payment. All the products will become zero, and the buyer can access all the download all the products without to pay again for individual products one by one. I have a video showing you how to manage the membership program, so I don't have to show anything else here. Then is the WooCommerce plugin. This is a major plugin on the site to make the site to become the store, to become actually store, to have e-commerce functionality. We use the plugin called WooCommerce. It's a very popular plugin, and this gives us the option to have checkout, products, and sell something through the site. Otherwise, the site is just a site, for example, it's not a store. Okay, here you can see there are orders. There are other things that I will not show you now because it will make too long the video and too much complex. Just know that this plugin is the plugin that we use for the checkout and for make the store actually, the site store. Okay, you will see on other videos how to use this plugin also, what you need to know. Continue products. The products here is not a plugin, it's a part of the WooCommerce, so you can reach all the products. I just show you fast. Here you see all the products. It says there are 501 products. 500 are the digital products and 1 is the membership level. Okay, so this is the membership, the product we pay for, we have for the checkout for the membership, and the rest are the products. You can edit, quick edit, trash, view, duplicate. Okay, I have other video that show you how to work with products. You can add new product, import products through the CSV file, or export products through a CSV file. Continue. Here you see that on the products it says all products, add new categories, tags and attributes. Everything is also here. Continue. Next is the B-Rocket. This is a plugin. We use this plugin for the load more button. I will show you now. Let's close this and then let's go to the site. Go to products. Here you see there is a button. It says load more. If you click it, loads more products. Load more and load more. So this plugin, the B-Rocket plugin here, is the plugin we use to give us the option to have this button. If you don't like to have the button and you want to have the usual pages, the pagination, like 1, 2, 3, 4 pages, so you can choose, you just remove this plugin and the pagination will come back. Okay, just decide what you want if you don't like this button. Continue. Next one is the TI wishlist. It's also a plugin. Also the B-Rocket was a plugin TI wishlist is a plugin. We use it for the wishlist. Here you see this heart icon is on the products. You can add them if you go to a product. Here it has this option, add to wishlist. If you click here, you can then view wishlist. Okay, and from the wishlist you can go to add to cart and then check out. You can delete it from the wishlist, and here you see now there is the number one, that we have one item, one product on the wishlist. I just delete it, and now is again 0. Okay, so this is the plugin, TI wishlist. Then we have analytics. This is not a plugin. This it shows you about the revenue, the products, orders, all the analytics for the site, how many downloads happen, like everything, the analytics. Then we have this plugin, which is actually not needed at this moment. I will just delete it because I added to import and export something. Okay, I will just delete it now and I will show you how to delete the plugins. I go to plugins. Here is the list with all the plugins. I just try to find this plugin. It's called WebToffee. Let's see where it is. It should be a dent. Yeah, here. Okay, here is the plugin. For example, I go now to deactivate it. Sometimes plugin asks you why you do this. You can say that I don't need it, or you have a problem or anything. You give the feedback actually. So I say that don't need it anymore, which is the real. So deactivate. And then when we deactivate, we delete it. So this is how you delete a plugin. And now I will continue. And next one, so you will not see this plugin on your site because it was just I added temporarily here to do something and then I didn't need it anymore. So continue. Then after the TI wishlist, we have the analytics. We should talk about this. Then we have marketing. On marketing, is not also a plugin, is a function, is a part of the WooCommerce. We can have coupons. If you want to create discount coupons, you click here on marketing, coupons, and here create your first coupon. I have another video that shows you how to create coupon. So I don't need to explain here, just to know that if you want to create a coupon, you go on marketing. It's under marketing, the coupons. Okay, let's close a few tabs. Continue. Then we have Elementor. Elementor is a major plugin on this website, on this store. Is a page builder, free. It has also a paid version. We don't need it, this paid version now. We'll do our job with a free version. If you have it or you want to buy it, you can buy it. So here with Elementor, you can edit the pages, you can build pages. I have a separate video that shows you how to edit pages with Elementor. So I will not go into more details here. Then we have templates. The templates is together with Elementor. It's not an extra plugin. It's an option that we can have. Sometimes you build a page and you don't want to, you want to have a similar page, so you don't have to build it from scratch again. So you save it as template and you can import, export to another site even. Okay, or you can save a section of a page and import, export to another pages. Okay, it's very useful actually, this. Then we have essential add-ons. This is a plugin which is a complementary plugin for the Elementor. Okay, so it gives more features and functionalities to the Elementor plugin. Continue. Appearance. Here on appearance we can reach, this is a function, it's not a plugin. exists on the WordPress itself. We can reach the themes. Let's click themes. Here you can see what theme is added and is used on the website. You can add new theme if you don't want this. We use the Ocean WP theme, the free version of it. There is a paid version if you want. We don't need it right now. We'll do the job with a free version. If you want to add new, you click add new and you choose a theme from the existing ones here from the WordPress, or you can upload, if you have it in a zip file, you can upload it here, choose file, and you can upload it. Okay, I want to tell you that it's not a simple thing to choose a theme. Like, it's not the site will not show exactly the same. Unfortunately, when you change the theme, not everything is how it was before. So if you want to change your theme, just let me know and I can offer a service for this, or I can give some directions. But unfortunately, it's not like change the theme and everything shows perfectly. You have to fix some things in order to look nice after the theme change. Okay, you can change, I don't say no, but it's not like one click task. Okay, continue. Here you can customize under the appearance. Also, if you click customize, let's open a new tab to see what it is. You can customize the theme, but on the front end, like you can see immediately the changes. This is very nice and very useful because you make a change and you immediately see it live. I will just show you what you can do, for example, with this customize option. Takes some time to load. It takes more time now because I'm recording the screen. Okay, for example, let's say you want to change the logo. You have to find the header. There is a section here, header. Then you go to logo and then you can click change logo. It will open the media library, and or you choose an existing image you have, or you upload a new one and then click select. Okay, I have a video showing you how to change the logo. I just show you that immediately you will see the change here, and you can edit many things like the WooCommerce. You can edit the widgets, menu, the menu here, like many things. I show in other videos what is needed for you to know. Okay, so you have two ways to reach the customize. You can reach it if you click under appearance customize, or when you are here on the front end. Let's go on the front end. There is the option customize. So if you click customize, you will go exactly on the same place. Yeah, here it is. Okay, continue. Then we have the widgets. On the widgets, how to explain simply. On the widgets, for example, let's close this. For example, you can edit the footer. These four sections are edited from the widgets. Okay, there are places on the store that you can edit it from the widgets. I will not go into more this because it will take a lot of time for this video. Menus, you can edit the menus. We have header, you can edit the header. Custom CSS. If you don't know what is this, what I'm talking about, don't worry, you don't need to know everything to operate the store. I just mentioned what you can find where, so, and what is this. Okay, I will not go to more details because it's not needed. Next we have the plugins. I showed you before the plugins. I will open again. So here is the list with all the plugins that have been used on the site. What is the plugins? The site itself, the WordPress, it's free, but it doesn't have many functionalities. So to add functionalities on the WordPress, we use plugins. It's a piece of code, piece of software that can add specific functionality. So for example, one plugin makes the site to be a store, the WooCommerce plugin. Another plugin creates the membership site, the membership function. Another plugin the affiliate, another plugin to build the pages. So we have plugins to make certain functions. For each function there are many plugins in the market. For example, for the membership, I use the paid membership pro. There are 5 more or 10 more membership plugins to choose, or even more than 10 actually. So it's a big market, but what you need to know is that what is used here is everything free. You don't need to pay anything. I have searched too much actually to find the best options for free, so you don't have to pay nothing, or yearly subscriptions on this. Okay, almost all the plugins have paid version, which means if you want something more, you need to pay. So it is you can decide if you want it, but as I deliver the store, you don't need anything to pay. Okay, so you can delete here plugins, deactivate it, maybe temporary, and then delete it, or add new. Here you can add new. If you click add new, you can choose, you can search on the WordPress itself here, or you can upload plugin, same like the theme. You have a file, like in a zip file, you upload it and then click install, and then activate it always. Okay, that's it with the plugins. You don't need to know something more now. Continue. Then we have the snippets. Snippets, it is a plugin I have added, and what it does, gives the option. Let's open it. This plugin gives us the option to add some custom code on the site, because if the theme doesn't give us the option to edit specific areas on the site, or have some specific function, we don't have it with a plugin, or the theme is not give us this option, we add custom code to create this function. So I have 4 functions here that created with a custom code. So if you see here, if I go to edit, you see there is a code. Don't worry or don't freak out and with this. We don't need to know anything. I just show you that there is this option to add custom code on the site. You have 2 ways to add custom code. You can add it on the theme. If you go to appearance here, and it says here theme file editor, you can add the custom code on the theme directly, but I think it's better way to add it here with using the plugin, because if you change the theme, you lose the code. I mean, the code goes out of the site if you add the new theme. But with a plugin, even if you change the theme, the code stays here. Okay, the code goes out from here only if you delete this code snippets plugin. Okay, that's all you need to know on this. You don't need to know something else. Don't touch this, don't change anything here. Okay, so next one is users. On users, let's close some tabs. On users is where you can create the users, you can edit. I will explain a little bit about the users. A WordPress store can have many users, thousands of users, and the users can have different roles. There are roles of administrator, editor, subscriber, customer, affiliate, so different roles. The highest role on the website is the administrator, so always you will be only the administrator. Don't make somebody else an administrator. If you add a new user, it requires to have a username, email, that's it, email, username, and a password. You can choose what password you want, and here you choose what role this user will have. Can be affiliate, SEO editor, SEO manager, shop manager, customer, subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Don't make administrator nobody else except yourself or somebody which is partner of you and you are trust him, because they can lock you out of the site. They can delete your existing, delete you as a user. So, and they can do actually anything they want on the site. It is the highest permission, like can do anything. Okay, so if you just want to create a new customer, you create here the username and email. You choose here to be customer. Okay, create, and then you can assign a membership level very easily if you just want to do it manually. Okay, or if you want to create another admin just for to help you with a site, somebody, a developer, you just create an admin, but do it for people who trust. Okay, continue, and here on the users, just go to the users again. Here, for example, you see that it says administrator. One user can have more than one roles, can be also an affiliate at the same time, for example. Okay, let's continue. Then we have the tools. Here is not a plugin, this is not a plugin, also the users is not a plugin, it exists on the WordPress itself. You can do things like export, import content on the site and some other things that you don't need to know right now. Next is the all-in-one WP migration plugin. If I do the setup for you, you will not see this plugin because I use it only to import the store, nothing else. So if you do the setup yourself, you will see this plugin here, but otherwise you will not see this plugin. Next one, settings. Settings is on the site. If you go to general settings, I will show you a few things here on settings. Here, what you can have, you can have a site title, the name of the site, a tagline. Don't touch this. Here is the important, is the admin email. You can have many users on the site, but only one email can be the admin email that receives all the communication from the site. Okay, so this has to be yours. You added your email here if it's not already, and then click save changes, and always go to your email to find the confirmation email, to have to click a URL to approve the change. Here you can choose if anyone can register or you can approve any registration, and you say here what is the default role when somebody registers. Keep it on subscriber, no more. Don't give more permissions than a subscriber. Okay, that's it for here. You need to go also on permalinks. You need to go, not you need to go, just here what you need to know is that always it has to be clicked this, the post name. I will do it for you, but if you see that it's not there for any reason, just click the post name, not everything, nothing else here, the post name, and click save changes. And one more thing I will show you on settings. If you go on reading, here from this area you can choose the home page. It says here your home page displays, it needs to be this, a static page, and you select below which page. So you see I have chosen the home. If for any reason you want, when somebody writes your domain, for example terradigitalstore.com, what page will show for this domain? Of course I have chosen the home, but if for any other reason you want another page to show on, you choose here which page you want, and then you go and click save changes. Okay, so from here you can choose what will be your home page. Okay, now we'll continue. Notification X is a plugin. We use it for the promo bar. Let's show you fast the promo bar. I will open actually on incognito window because otherwise the promo bar it doesn't show. So here it should appear now the promo bar. Sorry. So I will open in an incognito window because it doesn't show here as I am already logged in. What is the promo bar? So here I'm not logged in, and it should appear soon on the bottom, the promo bar. Here you see it says our offer, limited time access to 500 digital products for just 77. Get the offer. If you click here, you go to the membership page to buy a membership. Okay, so there is also a pop-up that I will show you. It's another plugin for the pop-up, exit pop-up. You can choose where you put it, on the top, on the bottom, what you write, the text, anything. I have set it up to be disappear after 15 seconds, so that does not bother the visitor. Okay, so this notification X is the plugin for this promo bar. I have a video that shows you how to edit and manage this promo bar. So continue. WP Mail SMTP. This plugin I use it to send the emails to customers when they have a transaction, or send emails from the site. So you don't pay anything for this. This SMTP is free from every hosting. We just need the plugin to connect it. Okay, I have a video that shows you how to make the connections. I repeat, if I have done the stuff for you, everything is already done. You don't need to do anything, just I make the overview to know what it is, so you feel more familiar. SEO, here is the SEO plugin, the Yoast SEO. Also here you can see this. I use this plugin for the SEO purpose. The store has the basic SEO and is done with this plugin. Next one is the theme panel. So here on theme panel you choose what it will be also on appearance. Don't touch this, it has to do with the theme. You don't have to do any settings there, or you need to know anything. Next one is the premium add-ons for Elementor. Is the complementary plugin for the Elementor page builder. Same with the other plugin essential add-ons for Elementor. This is the premium add-ons for Elementor. It's a plugin that we use it to add more functionalities, let's say simple like that. There is a paid version of the Elementor. We don't have it. If you don't have the paid version and you want more functionalities, you achieve this by adding plugins. One is the premium add-ons for Elementor and the other one is the essential add-ons for Elementor. Here, essential add-ons, and for Elementor is this. This is the basic page builder. Okay, continue. Live Mesh add-ons, same, is also a complementary plugin for the Elementor. Then we have the Hustle plugin. The Hustle plugin is the pop-up. You saw before that a pop-up came when you try to exit the page. So from here we have this plugin. It can have more things than pop-ups, but I use it only as to add the pop-up at this moment for the store. I have a video just for this, so I don't say anything more here. Then we have the Solid Affiliate plugin. This is the plugin for the affiliate program. If you have paid for the premium version, you have the affiliate program included. I have a video showing you just for this affiliate program, so I don't say also anything else here. And then we have the collapse menu or extend menu. That's all for now. I show you everything. Let me take a look. I show you everything. I don't see anything else. Here there is the icon of the WordPress, and you can go to the WordPress org. Sorry. And you can see documentation, support and feedback. We don't need to do anything about this. Okay, so I'm sorry for the very long video, but you need to know many things, not because you have to do things, you have to do changes, just because when you know what it is, you feel better, you feel more familiar, and you don't freak out when you are on the dashboard. And of course you will see all the rest of the videos and you will get more familiar. Please, you can watch it 2 or 3 times this video, and after you watch the rest of the videos you can watch it again. You will have a better understanding with the second time, and actually you can watch it as many times as you want until you feel confident. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.